What's up, everyone? This is Scott from sleepandreview.com, coming to you from Waikiki, the Sheraton Kaiulani Princess Hotel. I think I got the name right. It's difficult to pronounce, but all you really need to know is that it's not quite exactly what I was thinking it was going to be. Is it bad? No. Is it great? Absolutely not. Considering the amount of money I paid for this, this is a little bit, there are better hotels in Waikiki. Let's just put it that way. So let's just go over the room. There's really not much to it. You can see the entire thing right here. I got a 16th floor room with 2 double beds and those pillows. My God. I think I'm gonna have enough pillows. But yeah, I mean, the whole thing is, I mean, it's a nice room, but some of the stuff here is just so old, and it's crusty. It's a crusty hotel. It's been around a while. The furniture here, I mean, this is vintage stuff right here, and I'm not really sure I want to be touching that, but there's another old yellow plastic phone here. Basically, if I sound disappointed, I am. I stayed at the Moana Surf Rider last night, and this is quite a letdown. Quite a change of pace. They do give you free water. That's good. There is a coffee maker, which I will show you in a moment. But yeah, this room is pretty small, actually. It's, there's just not much to it. It's a standard issue hotel room. I mean, something you would find, middle America, the side of the road somewhere. I mean, this is it. I mean, there's really nothing very Hawaiian about this. But the view is good. I'll show you that in a moment. I mean, that's the one redeeming quality about this room. If you go here into the bathroom, again, it's just, wow, just so basic. And if you look at just some of the details here, it's just, it's crusty. This room is, I mean, it's, yellowed plastic. Everything is all chipped and scuffed, and it's not bad. Not bad. I mean, it's clean. I mean, that's all you could really ask for in a hotel room. But just when you come to Hawaii, you kind of want something a little nice. Don't you think? In the closet here is a refrigerator, which is good. That's a very important thing for a hotel in, oh my God, are you serious? There is a pube right there. Can you see that? Oh, yeah. Coffee maker. Well, we're gonna forget about that pube for a moment, but if you come over here to the other side, well, that's kind of interesting. Come over here to the other side, there is got an iron, full-size ironing board, and my stuff. Hangers too, which is good. So let me show you the view, which is probably the redeeming quality of this room. Like I said, I am on the 16th floor, and check this out. Got a private balcony here. Yeah, it's private with walls there. Walls there, can't see anything. That's nice. And pretty good view. The ocean is over there somewhere. So I paid for a city view. I wasn't expecting to see the ocean, but that's nice. So yeah, but back to the room itself. This is a disappointment. The TV, I will say, is on point. I do like the size of that. It's going to come in real handy, but everything else is, my recommendation is this. Don't stay here. There are better hotels in Waikiki. Let me shut this door so you can hear what I'm saying. God, there's even no padding on when you shut the door. Listen to this. There's no padding there at all. There are better hotels in Waikiki. Maybe this is not the best choice. I've seen this hotel many times. See, I want to show you something. I can see it from here. Look at this. I mean, just look at this. I mean, I'm not a hotel snob or anything, but for the price you pay for a hotel in Waikiki nowadays, you gotta expect at least some sort of, I don't even know what the word is. I mean, cleanly, this is a clean hotel room, but niceness or I don't even know what the word is, but it's disappointing, and it's when I get to the point where I can't even think of the words to describe the room, it's bad. It's bad. So yeah, overall disappointing, and I know I'm not going to stay here again. So at the very least, I got the chance to see this room. I got a chance to show you this room, and I guess if you can find it for a good deal, maybe it's worth it. But like I said, there are other choices. There are a lot of other choices out there in Waikiki, and I suggest that you do a little more research and find a better hotel room for the money. Anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.